South Africa's constitution has been celebrated as one of the world's most progressive, guaranteeing equality, human dignity, and fundamental human rights. But 3 decades later, questions are being asked about whether it has delivered meaningful change for millions of South Africans living in poverty, facing unemployment and deep inequality.
We need to reflect critically on the past 30 years of our constitutional democracy, to also examine critically whether the promise of the Constitution corresponds to the lived reality of many millions of South Africans. In that context, we need to be open to looking at fine-tuning, amending, adjusting those aspects of our Constitution that we need, based on the experience of 30 years, to amend. But we also emphasize that that mustn't be done uncritically. We do need to recognize that we took fundamental decisions 30 years ago. Many of those still remain valid.
The Career Day for law students forms part of the department's Constitutional Awareness and Public Education program, aimed at inspiring and preparing the next generation of legal professionals, while reflecting on Nelson Mandela's enduring legacy of justice, equality, human dignity, and the rule of law.
I urge all of us to take responsibility for continuing Madiba's legacy. Every one of us has a role to play in redressing inequality and advancing justice. A gathering like today, a career day in close collaboration with government, with a broad spectrum of the legal profession involved, our academia and our students, under the watchful eye of Madiba, seems a step in the right direction.
Lawyering is leadership, and I'm asking you to do it transformatively, because we get the world we deserve, and the world we deserve is the one we help shape through everything we do every day.
The gathering also focused on inspiring the next generation of legal professionals, exposing law students from across the Western Cape to career opportunities and practical guidance within the justice sector.
The public sector giving back to the community, using our degree to do the groundwork in our communities. That is also a crucial and critical role that we have as legal professionals one day in the legal world. And for me personally, I want to use my law degree to give back to my community by doing, especially in local government, working in local government with various NGOs and creating service delivery that we can actually see in our community.
I've come to realize the importance of law being accessible and practical so that it can truly meet the needs of the people that it serves. And secondly, I've come to understand just how influential lawyers are, and that influence comes with great responsibility. And so we must be very careful with the things that we say, and we must protect our integrity as lawyers. And lastly, law is continuously evolving, so it's important for us to keep up with those changes and continue being innovative and collaborate. Public and the private sector must collaborate and work together.
Some of the speakers also maintained that the Constitution should be capable of evolving where necessary in order to help improve the lives of the people it was created to serve. Corbin August, SABC News, Stellenbosch.